Guys,
What kind of bread are you making?
Turkey bread.
Bread from Istanbul.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you need to make bread? Hi, Hadi. Hello. Okay, Musa, what ingredients do you have? What is this?
Flour.
4 cups of flour. What else? Salt. Yeast. 1 tablespoon yeast.
And salt.
1 teaspoon salt.
And sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
And water.
How much water? Half cup of water.
Yeah. And milk.
1.5 cup of milk.
And
How much oil do you need? 1/4 cup of
oil.
what oil? Olive oil, okay?
Oil boil.
Are you ready to mix everything? Are you ready, Hadi?
Yes.
Okay, so first we are going to pour in 1.5 cup of warm milk. Okay, now Musa, add yeast.
What?
Add yeast.
Okay.
Now give sugar to Hadi. Will add sugar.
Okay. You can do this. You can do it.
You want to add sugar, Hadi?
But don't drop it. Oh, you dropped.
No, he didn't. Okay, mix.
You
Salt. Mix.
everything in there.
Good. Now add olive oil.
I will add.
Okay, let Hadi mix now. Hadi, you mix.
But I want to make.
Let him mix a little bit, okay? Little bit.
But I want to make.
Okay, you wanna add water now? Add water.
Okay.
Oh wow. Great job, guys. Keep mixing. Hadi, mix.
But I want to mix.
Okay, now we are going to add flour, okay?
Yeah, you add flour. Okay, for me. You gotta mix, boy. You gotta mix. Mix. I just sing the song too. Mix. You gotta mix. Put the sugar on it.
We add all the flour. Now you guys need to really mix
Okay. Oh, whoa.
into a very soft dough.
Okay. Mix. Keep mixing.
Oh, who's dropping? We are not allowed to drop, okay?
Okay.
Hadi, we are not allowed to drop. Keep mixing.
Mix. Is this so?
Almost done?
But it's not look soft.
Yeah, you have to mix it because you haven't mixed it yet.
But it's not almost done.
Hadi, what are you doing? What are you making? Sugar? You're making sugar? Are you making sugar? What are you saying?
Water. Ready?
Okay. Alright. So guys, make sure it is soft. Look at that. This is how it's supposed to be. Great job, Musa. Hadi, good job. Mash? What is mash? What is mash? Oh, mix. You want to mix more? Mix. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hadi. You want want to do.
Where is Hadi? Musa, find Hadi.
Hadi.
Where is he?
Hadi.
Hadi, we can't see you. Where are you?
Hadi.
Peekaboo. Hadi is gone.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you gonna do that?
Hadi is gone again.
Pew.
Oh, where did Musa go? Musa, where did you go?
Hello.
Hello.
You can put our dough in oven.
No, in the oven.
In the
No, we are going to leave our dough on the counter for 1 to 2 hours and then we'll make our bread. Okay? Where is Hadi? What is he doing? Stop being so silly, Hadi. What's wrong with your hat? You both are so silly today.
Dough's ready, and I'm gonna put some flour.
Okay, go ahead, Musa.
Okay.
Sprinkle. What is that? Flour?
Yeah.
Last time you said it was salt. Remember? A lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we will cut the dough into probably 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, make it in a round shape.
Shape. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Want me to help you?
How you do it?
I'll show you.
I'm gonna put the.
The dough there, okay, on the tray, on the baking tray.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Now you have to make it round. The other way. Yeah, just leave it like that, okay?
The other one now.
No, just one at a time. Okay, now you have to make it round like that.
With this?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. You have to make it round, bigger. Go like this. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's getting bigger. I'll put some olive oil, okay? Make sure it goes all the way.
Don't put it in my finger.
Okay. Did I? Okay.
No, you don't.
You know, Musa, you need to do like this.
Good.
Like this, yeah. In the, you see, in the, how I'm doing. Wait.
It's a pizza.
Okay. Okay, Musa, how does it look like? Okay, great job. Now you're going to brush it with egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. Here, brush it all over, okay?
Like that?
Yeah.
I like
All the way.
I like brushing too.
Yeah. I'll go around too.
It's like
Round two.
yolk.
Now, don't put too much. Don't put too much. There's enough there. Just brush everywhere now. Brush everywhere. Okay, now sprinkle some seed, Musa. All the way, okay? Not in one area. Yeah. Keep going. Now sprinkle some black seeds. All the way, all around. All around, not in one area.
Sorry.
Okay. Sprinkle more black seed, a little bit more. Okay, now we are going to bake for how long? Do you remember? Musa, we are going to bake for how long? 15 minutes on 319 degrees Fahrenheit, okay?
But where?
Let's put it in the oven.
What?
Okay, ready?
I want to eat it.
I know you want to eat it. Let's put it in the oven.
almost ready. It looks good.
Look at that.
Doom.
It looks so good.
The breads look so good.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Musa, for making this delicious bread. We're going to now go ahead and eat.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Musa's channel, Junior Chef Musa. Have a wonderful day. Everybody, take care. Bye-bye.